What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This time I'm taking you guys through another effective workout. This workout can be done at home or the gym. This time we're only going to be using dumbbells, right? There's a total of 7 exercises. There's going to be 40 seconds rest, 60 if you really need it, 3 sets per exercise, all right? So the goal with this routine is to burn large amounts of calories and strengthen your everyday movements by doing a variety of different exercises. Now, enough of me talking, let's get to this work. For the warm-up, I want you to complete all 4 of these exercises. You're gonna do a total of 12 reps per exercise, no rest for 2 sets. So for the dumbbell squat to press, it's all one motion, all right? So you're gonna perform a squat and you're gonna press through your shoulders all in one motion. If you're not sure how to perform a squat correctly, make sure you hit the link in the top and watch that video after you watch this video to how to properly perform a squat. So for the dumbbell reverse lunge to a bicep curl, I want you to get into reverse lunge position with your weight primarily on your heels here, because you want to focus on the glutes. Try to align your knees with your hips and keep your shins vertical to not allow other muscles to take over. And at the bottom of the motion, curl the dumbbells with your biceps. All right, for the dumbbell reverse fly to a tricep extension, I want you to keep your spine neutral. From here, you want to pull from your scapula and not your arms. Bring your arms back down to the starting position. Roll them up and extend your arms and squeeze your triceps at the top of the motion. Now this exercise is going to be a little bit challenging if you don't have the range of motion in your hips, all right? But give it a try the best that you can. So it's a side lunge to a lateral raise. What you're going to do is you're going to step to the side, try to challenge yourself on keeping your shins vertical, keep your weight on the outside of your heel, right? From here, you're going to strong press up through that same leg and raise your arms up laterally, pulling from your shoulders. I know it's a lot of cues, but do the best you can. Okay, so for this exercise, again, we're gonna challenge your stability. This is a push-up to a renegade row. From here, you wanna retract your shoulder blades. You wanna get into a push-up position. You wanna go down, do your push-up, pressing through your chest. Keep your elbows as close to your ribs as possible and row one dumbbell, bring it down, and then row the other side. But make sure you have full control of the dumbbell and you're not just out of control, keeping your core and your glutes tight as always. Okay, so for the next exercise, the dumbbell forward lunge to an Arnold press. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do a forward lunge, try to, again, keep your shins vertical as possible. Strong drive on the way back up, and from here, you're gonna rotate your arms out and press your knuckles to the ceiling. Okay, for the last exercise, as we know, I love to challenge stability at the end of my workouts. This here is a decline chest press. What you're gonna do is you're gonna keep one arm extended while the other arm is pressing through your chest and your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Another cue is keep your hips up as high as you can, squeeze your glutes and your core. If you lose your glutes and your core without keeping them tight, I want you to stop and reset and make sure you complete the reps listed below for each arm. That's the challenge. Okay, so that's the end of this workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's definitely a sweat box. Good luck to you. But the purpose of this effective routine is that the workouts are strength, power, stability, and full control. Functional movements that's gonna help you through everyday life, all right? If you like this workout and would like for me to make more content, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button and watch the next videos above. Peace and love, I'm out.